First things first, check to see if you need a visa to enter Indonesia. Many countries do, and my best advice is don't wait until you land. Yes, you can get a visa upon arrival, but who wants to be messing around doing that after a long flight? So I've dropped a link in the description of this video for the official e-visa website for Indonesia. You can fill it out anytime. It'll cost you $35 US, but you'll have it all sorted before you go. All right, tip number 2. If you've got your e-visa sorted and you're a holder of an e-passport, that's the one with the chip inside and little camera icon on the front. If you've got both, when you arrive, don't line up for the manual immigration booths. Head straight to the e-desks. They're fast and easy to use. You'll breeze through and be waiting for your bags in no time. 72 hours or 3 days before you arrive into Bali, you're going to need to fill out a customs declaration form. Yes, you can do it at the airport upon arrival, but I can tell you right now, it's a dog's breakfast. So I've dropped a link in the description below for the official customs declaration form. You can fill it out within that 3-day window before you arrive into Bali. It's going to give you a QR code. Save the QR code to your phone. When you're going to need to show that QR code is once you've collected your bags and you're exiting customs, somebody is going to ask to see that QR code. So avoid all the chaos, use the link in the description below, and you'll sail out through customs. Easy peasy, Balinese, right? Is that how it goes? When you arrive, it's going to be hot, and the airport in Bali can be very, very busy. So rather than getting overwhelmed trying to change up money when you're exiting the customs hall and trying to find your transport, change up a little bit of Indonesian rupiah before you arrive into Bali, just a little bit. That way you can exit customs, find your transport, get to your hotel, get settled for a couple of days, and then you can find a better rate at an official money changer when you get there, rather than trying to have all that anxiety when you get there in the heat and it's so busy, a lot of people around at the airport. Of course, you can use the traditional methods of payment as well at most places, travel cards, credit cards. Cash is a good thing to have, but change up a little bit before you get there. If you're staying north of Kuta, in places like Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, maybe up to Tanah Lot, or even as far out as Ubud, you're potentially going to have some serious travel time. So this is one of the biggest tips I'm going to give you. You probably know what's coming. Before you exit the customs hall, go to the happy room. You're going to thank me later. All right, there you have it. 5 practical tips for first-time travelers to Bali if you're over 50. And I will leave a link up the top here. And in fact, it's been playing in the background throughout this video of our recent trip to Bali you might like to watch. All right, if you found these tips helpful, give them a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, or even maybe leave a comment or 2 down below with some other tips you'd like to know about Bali and your upcoming trip. Happy travels, enjoy beautiful Bali, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.